courtesy of Mangkani's family. Happy holidays from the Mangkani family.
I will get some
May papitsa po guys.
butter.
Our lovely teachers, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the pub. Yan. Sarap ng bang-bang. Pizza hot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of pizza. Wow! Amazing! Guys, look at that. Pizza in different flavors. Guys, and my kababayans are already hungry, waiting for the pizza. See, look at the social media. Low. Media. Mga loka. Alright. Just lick. For social media first. Some chips. Pizza mukbang. Hello?
Just for me, underneath the Christmas tree, I've been.
Why?
Like if you want to remove white.
Our last day of first term. Party. Ate.
We're going to start and Tata has to come something for you with, but we can start eating. But Sacred Santa at the school. But I just did a little thank you certificates. Come around, guys.
Come around.
For you for all the hard work, honestly, put in for making all of this happen. I remember the first day we stepped ladies in and we were like, oh my God, there's so much needs to be done. And what we saw. Honestly, it wouldn't have been possible without all the hard work from every single one of you. You all are fantastic and amazing, and honestly, the way you've come in, and Amy, especially you, who kind of pushed you here, go here, do this, go that, since August, you've been incredibly amazing. Jessica, you came in, your bright smile, your enthusiasm, it just kind of keeps every one of us very lively and, you know, kind of you know, it's just like, we know, okay, ask Jessica. Jessica will do it, so you kind of that pillar we can go to and follow up. That's been brilliant, thank you very much. Sarah, I know you've come into a new job with you, Katie, and it's been absolutely fantastic knowing whatever little one. That's our useless baby.
Gwapo ng batang yan.
Who's visiting us? Oh. Welcome everyone to your first nursery. This is going to be your home for next, I would say, 5-6 years.
I have a lot to choose from. And as my husband called me, said, "Where are you?" I'm like, "We're on the way." Where? To the palm nursery with the baby. He's like, "You're taking him to work already?" He's starting to work now. He's 23 days. He has to check it out.
He approves.
Baby proof.
What they put in, and you know how everybody's come in and chipped and done every little thing. I'll walk you around, and obviously these guys will eat. I know some of them have to go.
You know, it's always a very special moment for me to walk through a nursery that is ready, because can you imagine? Of course, I know this place since it was shell and core, and everything, including every tile, every thing was carefully chosen and approved, right? And when it all comes together, it's almost like magic. You know, when it's first, actually, construction is almost like magic, right? Because some idea comes in the mind first, so many people work on it together, and then it manifests. It's just a pure manifestation.
Yeah.
But it's also like, it honestly is a dream. Like, we've been working, but from the very beginning, you know, from the contractors when we were there in the designer's office, trying to give them the vision of what we're looking for, and, you know, doing things and picking things, to see this happen and all of the resources being unfolded. It was literally like, you know, magic, you know, we've been sprinkling. But we know, Katrina, how hard, what has gone into building these beautiful premises. And honestly, it's absolutely great and an honor to see these spaces to be prepared for children, and the reaction that parents do. Principal Lisa was here this morning, and she was like, wow, look at this place, and the match. I mean, you guys can talk about your experiences, how you feel. Go on, tell us about how do you think feeling in a workplace like this. Sarah and Katie has just literally, this is their third day today. So they've just kind of come in. Go on, ladies, talk about how do you feel.
I just love the glass everywhere. You know that you can see everything that's happening in your classroom and out with as well, plus the view.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
And everything is transformable.
Yeah.
I mean, you got it right, that actually this one wall fully with 2 classrooms, and then one wall in the middle collapse, and then you have a 200-meter hall. And it was very difficult to make, actually. And everybody was telling me, it's not possible, there will be columns in the middle. I'm like, we haven't just found a right contractor or a right solution, but it is possible, right? So
beautiful. Ladies, look, enjoy your lunch. I'll quickly walk around with, and I know Tatiana's going to, in the meantime, come, and there's a little certificate that we've done for you with a little chocolate.
And I just want to add some extra treats.
the chocolate, by the way, was personally tasted by me and then by and the milk. So it has
Put the
like
music on it.
dark chocolate with orange pills.
Yeah, okay.
Christmassy feeling.
Should we do it? They want to do a picture. Should we do a picture together?
Yeah.
Ladies, I got some extra treats as well. I'm just going to put them here and you can all enjoy. So there are lots of chocolates and treats for everyone.
I can put this under.
Yeah, take a picture. Just grab one. It's a day filled with treats. Go ahead. Where is the complete from?
Yeah, I'm just
On the here? I don't have for it yet.
I don't know what to with it. Come inside. I'll take a picture. Thank you. Hi, Myra.
I didn't get in.
I can hold it.
Where's the Carol go? Carol!
Carol.
El Capitana.
Squeeze in.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you.
Ladies, enjoy. Where's our music?
We will came to know you're coming, so I know we got you something if you want to eat. We can put some spoons here.
One down.
Jennifer, where are you?
I'm here.
Yeah, okay. Expectations that we set. Great job. Miss Jessica! Thank you for your tremendous help in setting up. Your beautiful smile and hard work makes everything achievable. Amelia, what are you? Team and ensuring that all the work is completed in time. You guys are amazing. You managed, thank you, you managed to go above and beyond for every piece of job that you do. Great work. Thank you for all the hard work and for making things happen. I'm going to do this one last. Miss Myra, I've got a long one for you. You have a power to rise above any situation to deliver the best results no matter what circumstances. We are fortunate to have an innovator like you amongst us. All the different innovations that you do. Miss Sarah, it's amazing to have you in our team and we're really looking forward to all the exciting times.
Yeah.
Miss Carol! Stepping in and leading the team at James Farm, your diligence of logical thinking, patience and empathy exemplifies what a great leader you are. Honestly, it's been amazing. I'm sure we're going to build and it's going to grow bigger, but this is fantastic. And you are... Yes! Okay.
Grab a plate. Yeah, I'll wait for you.
Thank you, guys. Woo, woo, woo. From more front to back.
Guys, thank you. Please, one chocolate for each.
Thank you. Hey, congratulations. Love it. Thank you.